screen. See the screen?
Yes, yes. Now tell Suresh, what is your doubt?
I'm clicking okay. Document date is today. USA company codes. P1. Period 9th means 06. Right? Here I have to give anything?
No, not required.
So directly I can come to the account, right?
Yes, what is debit? Select the account.
So I'll go with
No, company code is already there. No problem.
So I'll select the rent.
Select. Enter.
Now I have to click enter. No, once it graded out, I've got confused. Now what I have to do?
Now what? Some message is coming down. What is that one?
Period 6 adjusted in line with posting date 26/9/22.
Period 6
adjusted. You cannot see. Wait.
We cannot see that one. Now.
Okay.
Period
06 adjusted in with the posting line date 26/9/2022.
Put enter. Put 1,000 rupees. So rent paid. Text you put rent paid. 50 cash. Cash account.
Okay.
Enter. Put amount, same amount. Rent paid.
Okay.
Simulate. Go to document top. Simulate. Rent to cash. Correct only, no? Save.
Oh, it has come. Instead of enter, I saved, I think. Okay.
Successful now.
Okay.
Posted. Successful.
Right. Okay. Your doubt?
You share the screen, Venkatesh.
Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. Are you able
Now
to
tell me. Yes, Venkatesh.
See, what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to pass entry, journal entry, NF02, NF502. But so here, today's date, right?
Correct. Today's date.
Say posting date is today, and then
Give the company code.
Currency we need to give, right?
INR and the period is 6.
Yeah, period we need to manually give or?
Manually give 6.
Oh, 6 are.
6 only, no? November 7. This is
Oh,
September.
sorry. That is a mistake. Okay. Because what I did is I gave 9 because
No.
that is the reason I am getting error saying that your period is not open.
Now go to 40 debit. Go to GL account down. Select the GL account.
One second. I just check the number.
No need to check. Search the number there. Search button is there. See right side.
Okay. So here we can select, right?
Here whatever you created GLs, no, the list will come here. Okay. Wait. Here company code. You need to bring the company code here. Top some tabs are there. You click one by one tab. check where is the company code is coming, not that one, another one. You not this one also. Some arrow mark is there. See, right side, left side. You check one by one. Company code is there. See here. Exactly. This is your company code, no?
Yeah.
Now search.
So I can search, right?
Search. Whatever you created, no, the list will come here.
Oh, super.
See, any one you select. Any purchase account. No. Any purchase account. Something you select. E-bill, that one.
Maybe I will select rent expenses.
Rent expenses. Enter.
Create 6. Yeah, I think the same details. Whatever Suresh.
Enter.
Posting grade 009 is 2022 is not open.
Not opened. Okay.
But
I think
changing it to 9 actually.
No. Wait. This is what is happening. No, you created that physical year variant. No, you remember / and OB29.
Yeah.
Okay, there you have done wrong. I am thinking why, because you need to copy the V3. Okay, but here it is triggering calendar year. Okay, that's why it is getting these types of error. For you. Okay, you go to / and OB29. Did you remember what physical year variant you created?
For calendar year. 1 second.
No. For your company, what is your physical year variant? I am asking.
Yeah, DBF.
No. Here. This is the physical year variant. 2 letter you created now. Any idea?
So I need to go to the position or?
Go to the position. Simply, I will check what you have created. What is the name you created?
DB.
DB. Yeah.
DB only. Company name is DB.
No. I am asking physical year variant. What you created?
No, DB only. DB.
Continue. See here. Here DB is not there.
No, is the first one.
First one. Okay.
First
now
one.
what you do? No.
Yeah.
What you do means first go to V3.
V3, yeah.
Go to position. Give V3. Select that one V3.
I need to select here or?
V3, that one only. No, select that one V3. Go to copy as top. Not that one. Copy as. Here some button will be there. No new entries beside that one. Copy as will be there. No, not there. Here one button will be there. Copy as button.
Yeah, I copied. Yeah.
Remove that one. Remove V3.
Okay. Yeah.
Give any name. No. Give another name. D1 you give.
New name I need to give, right?
Another name you give. Something you give. New name you give. Which one you are giving?
VR.
Enter. Copy all. Continue. Save. Now what you do means that another step is there. No assignment of physical year variant to company code.
Yeah.
Go to the T code. / and OB37. After going there, position, give your company code.
Enter, right? Enter.
Give your company code first. Position.
So I need to click a position, right? Position, then
go to position. Give your company code. Enter. Remove that one. Your old physical year variant. Remove that one. Give new one. Now you created now which one?
Yeah.
Enter, save. Save. Enter. 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 Now save. Enter.
Referring
enter. Nothing will happen. Enter. Somebody has kept a blank. That's fine. Enter. Like that. Put enter like that. Save. Now go to that. Now try to post that entry.
Okay.
F-0. /n F-02 you go. Give the date. Date. Put 06 there. Now down 40. Select rent that one account. Search. Company code correct only. Company code correct. Company code is there correct only.
Yeah.
Search. Rent. Expenses. Enter. 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 It is coming.
Posting period 006 2022 is not open.
Not opened. Okay. Go to OB52. What is your posting period variant you give there? Go to position. What is your variant?
The posting period, right? Posting period.
This one only, yeah?
Yeah.
This one only, yeah? Pakka?
Yeah, 1 second, I'll check.
Otherwise, go to OBY6, you will get there. I told you, one global parameter is there.
Yeah.
You can go and check there, your posting period variant.
/n.
See, every time, no need to type there. Go to another screen and you type. This screen will be remain same. I told you, you can open another session.
This one, right?
This one, correct. Now go to that one, /n OBY6. Go to position, give your company code. Double click. What is your posting period variant? Down. What is that one?
DWB.
Go there. Go to that screen.
So if I need to go to that again to the original screen, previous screen.
No. Here down it is there. Down. If you click now, that screen will come.
Oh, okay.
Now go to position. Go to position. Give that one. Okay. Here, why you kept 2019 here? What is this one?
Oh. I need to change it to 2022, I think, right?
This is your variant, correct only, no?
Yeah, this is my variant, yeah.
Okay. Put to 2022 there. Everywhere you 2022, 12, 2022. 2022. Here also you put 1 2022 12 2022. Put the same like that for AD MKS for all of them. 1 2022 12 2022 1 2022 12 2022. Do it for all AD MKS. Now save. Now go and post entry. Now go to that screen and post F dash. Here you can take that. You type that T code, no problem. F dash 02. Now give the today's date. Give the period 6.
Period 6 is there, so then I will go to
select the GL account. Enter. Posting period.
Still the same error is coming. 006 2022 is not open.
Why same error is coming for you?
Maybe subsequently I need to do anything like after saving the period. What are the changes I made?
So did you link that one to company code? Posting period variant.
Yeah.
That from starting I need to check your configuration.
Okay.
I think somewhere you have.
Maybe you can continue now. So what I will do, I will check my.
You check configuration steps. I think you have done it somewhere wrong. Somewhere it is reflecting somewhere. Okay.
Yeah.
First you check. If you don't know means you call me separately. I will tell you exactly what. Exactly.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Normal time when you will be free?
Morning generally free. Otherwise we after 8:30 will be free. Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise today you try. Okay. If it is not coming means 10 o'clock you ping me.
Okay.
I will be free. I am having no class 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock you can ping. We will check that one for 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. No problem. Yeah.
First you try.